So we're really good friends with our neighbour Nigel, who's got early onset dementia. We've been noticing recently that he's been leaving saucepans and an electric kettle on his hob.
My dad's got dementia and he lives with my mum in Scotland, and she's not very mobile, so she can't always keep an eye on my dad when he's trying to help her around the house.
My mum was diagnosed with dementia a few years ago. It was okay at first, but eventually I had to get her to move in with me so I could keep her safe. She would sometimes turn the gas hob on and forget about it.
And we've had a couple of near misses where he's turned the cooker on without lighting the gas, and he once put the electric kettle on the gas hob.
We phoned our local council to see what help was available, and they put this on to SGN.
Someone told me about SGN's lock-in cooker valve though, and they visited mum and dad and they fitted it to the cooker's pipes for free.
I found out that SGN can fit a lock-in cooker valve to the pipework of my gas cooker for free. I just turn the key and it stops the gas getting into the cooker. So if I'm going out for the day, I know that mum will be safe on her own while I'm out.
It means mum can turn the valve when she needs to, and it stops dad from unintentionally turning the cooker on. And we just feel a lot safer now, and it means that they can both keep their independence in their own home.
When we go around and cook him dinner, we can make sure that it's turned off and he's perfectly safe. It means that we can sleep well knowing that he's safe too.